This is how I make my tiger nut drink. Guys, this drink is not 100% healthy because of the oil inside the coconut. So please don't drink this every day. And secondly, make sure that your blender is very, very strong. Pick your nuts very, very well. If you bought your nuts from Nigeria, pick it very well. So you need your cheesecloth, of course, or any napkin, very clean. You need some coconut, fresh coconuts, and then you chop it into pieces. And then you need banana and then dates. Make sure you soak the dates to be very, very soft. Everything here has to be soft because of your blender. Don't say I did not want you. And then if you want, you can add a bit of ginger to ginger the whole thing up. And then you clean. When I mean clean, clean. Then you will need 1 liter of water first of all. Okay, so like I said, use good blender. If you know that your blender is not good, my sister, don't try this recipe. It's not everything that you see online that you must do. So you add your clean selected, like you see this tiger nut. If you bought your own from Nigeria, my sister, you have to pick it like beans because of stone. Then you're not going to add all this inside your blender and add water little by little. Okay, and then you cover and you blend. Now this blender that I'm using is automatic blender. That means it has timing by itself. It blends for 40 seconds and it stops. If your blender is not able to do this, make sure that you don't allow your blender to run through. So you press it, it blends for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds and you stop it and then you start again. Guys, once you are blending this, I know that you see pictures, you see everything. Let me tell you, let me give you a tip. You know that nobody can tell you put 1 liter, put 2 liter, you know measurements. What I do is that as I blend, I open my blender to taste the juice, the drink, to see if it has the taste of what I want. You can see me testing it. So what I do, if I have not gotten the kind of taste that I want, I will add more tiger nut, I will add coconut, I will add more things into it. If the ginger that I've added is not enough, I will add more ginger. If the tiger nut that I've added is not enough, is not giving, I will add more. Okay, and look at it again. So you continue doing this, you keep testing until you get the taste, the exact taste that you are looking for. I know we see all these things online, nobody explains it. There's no one that will just add water, add everything. There's nobody that has that measurement. We are not Oyibos. So this is how I get my own taste, because as I blend, I add other things. And guys, after blending, you want to squeeze this out. Guys, this cheesecloth showed me pepper in this. You see, this drink can mess up your kitchen. So make sure that you prepare. And if you are going to drink this by yourself, you can also use your hand to press it. You don't need hand glove. I work where I use hand glove all the time. And I have had a kind of teachings and all that. See, no matter what, they will tell you that plastic is plastic. So if you are drinking it by yourself, use your hand. Wash your hand thoroughly. You can see me when I was washing my hand. Wash your hand thoroughly and squeeze out the juice. The shaft, you can continue to blend. You can see that if you look at this second video, you will see that I added some of the shaft from there. So what I do is, after blending and taking out the water, I keep, you can see me adding the shaft, I keep blending the shaft again and again to get all my juice out, because the first blend is not easy to get. Guys, make sure that your blender is good though. If your blender is not good and you use this thing on your blender is gone. And don't drink this thing every day. This drink is not 100%. See, if you want to try what I'm telling you, just add this drink inside your fridge overnight. You can see how the oil inside the coconut will congeal and be very, very strong. Okay, so if you are living in a place that is very, very warm, there's a possibility that it will not block. Okay, so make sure that you don't drink this every week. Make sure you don't drink it every day. It's sweet, it's healthy, but minimize drinking this, especially if you have your high cholesterol level. So I'm just going to add this chili out. You can see that my husband have had the first taste. That one, that's Oga Patakota in the house. He was the one that actually requested for this drink. And I told him that after this, you are not drinking this again the next 6 months. He was just laughing. So guys, thank you and see you next time.